along sciatic
Good sir.
pain,
Recording mode.
along
Spleen
spleen
meridian.
meridian. That was the homework given. So Jagadishwari gave a beautiful reply, and she was probably the first, I believe. So what she said, what did you say, Jagadishwari? Hello, Jagadishwari, are you there?
Sir, I understood my mistake.
So, you see,
Good evening, sir. Namaste.
Namaste. Jagdishwari did very well. What she said is that the low connecting points of the horary friends are interconnected, isn't it? So now these low connecting points are interconnected. So who is the horary friend of spleen 9 to 11? 9 to 11 in the evening is triple warmer. Triple warmer. And what is the low connecting point? Triple warmer 5. So the triple warmer 5,
TW5.
TW5, and it is connected to spleen. What is that? Spleen's low connecting point is SP4. So SP4. Now, spleen being yin meridian.
Yin meridian.
So there is no such situation. What
Yes,
was
yes,
there
yes.
with UB or triple warmer? Because
I
they are
understand.
not generating organs.
Yes.
And this itself is a generating organ, so there is no problem. It's very simple. What should you do? Sedate triple warmer 5 and tone SP4. Okay? If you can do that. So the G will be transferred from spleen meridian to triple warmer meridian.
First, we will sedate triple warmer 5 and then we will tone SP4.
Right. So
That
Chi will go from leg to hands. Now this is spleen 4 after tonification. You can do it triple warmer 5 on the counter side, that is contralateral side. Why?
right side.
Because left side is already connected to the right side. So it will get two meridians to empty the chi.
One is the triple warmer on the left and the one is triple warmer on the right.
When you do contralaterally.
Contralateral. Yes, sir.
So okay, so then there is another thing. If this doesn't give help, then you can transfer from left leg to right leg. So you can sedate spleen 4 on right leg also.
Right.
Left you have 25, all right. Okay, so that is done. I think all of you have understood it.
Yes, sir.
So if you have any questions, you can ask me. Otherwise, we will go to do something else. Let me see.
Sir?
Bolo.
Sir, it works in acute and chronic both problems.
This is sciatic pain. I don't consider sciatic pain to be of two types, acute and chronic. It is very simple. It doesn't happen suddenly because this is a kind of a weakness. This is a kind of a, but it can happen acutely also if it is too much of a jerk. I mean, too much of a effort or stress given on the spine. So
sir, can I ask something, sir?
I don't know. You may go ahead.
Thank you. If a person is suffering from general mental stress, can sciatica occur because of that? Or it's only the physical stress?
Any disease, physical or mental. You see, the physical cannot be separated from metaphysical. Let me tell you honestly, when you have asked this question, this is a serious question. All of you should know that physical and metaphysical cannot be separated. Right? And the physical appears from metaphysical. Now, if there is an imbalance in the calcium metabolism, This calcium metabolism imbalance, calcium metabolism is governed by who? By
Parathyroid.
thyroid and parathyroid. Okay? Now this is under the control of what? Thyroid stimulating hormones that comes from where?
Pituitary.
So it is all governed. So metaphysical, the state of mind. Right? So you see, there are three raw materials to the triple bond model. Original G, number one. Then comes air, and then comes food. These three are the essential raw materials for the triple bond mechanism. And whether if it is a sciatic pain, so it is the calcium probably either, or the muscles, or the muscles. What is muscle? Now muscle is innervated. So the impulse is generated in the cells of the axon neuron. That is gray matter. Now this generation of impulse, that is what? That is who is commanding that? Who is the commander in chief of this generation of neural impulse? Avinash? Yes, Bolu? Huh?
SI.
S1?
SI, small intestine.
No, no.
Is it the medulla?
Liver. Yes, liver. Yes, who said it? Jagdish. No, well said. Any generation. So that means muscles and tendons are, so liver, if liver is at fault, then muscles and tendons can suddenly, they may get a jerk, and it will be such a huge jerk, such a powerful, that it will disturb the status of the annulus of the disc. That can create. So ultimately you are right, Rajat, that they can be connected, but they may not also be connected, because if it is only suppose physical, so what came first, the metaphysical disorder came first or the physical disorder came first? That has to be decided. But why decide? If you treat physical, the metaphysical will be treated. If you treat metaphysical, physical will be treated. At times we find that treating physical doesn't give result. At times we have to treat metaphysical also. That is, the Chinese called it dragon, and they called this dragon as two kinds of dragons: the internal dragons and the external dragons. In my book Panchatattva Siddhant, whosoever has it, this dragon I have given, I don't know myself much about it, but I have given the points and I have narrated a bit, maybe a paragraph, a few lines about them, and I have experienced it myself, that such pains which was not going at all, whatever we did, nothing, it was not responding, and we treated the 4 points of dragon and we got a fantastic result.
Right.
So, right, we'll keep on studying.
Thank you, sir.
So it's very good. You asked me this question, and I think I have given you a tip. You should know it. But which came first? If the physical is disturbed, metaphysical will be disturbed. If the metaphysical is disturbed, but who is stronger? Who is more difficult? Metaphysical. Metaphysical. So the metaphysical treatment is definitely superior. But anyway, so any other thing? Questions तो पूछ लेते हो. You ask questions of postgraduate levels. Okay.
सर जो दिमाग में आता है पूछ लेता हूँ. Sorry.
नहीं, why sorry? It's very good. I'm very pleased. Such things come to your mind. That itself is very good. Okay. So no questions. So we will proceed. Okay. So if there is no question, then let us go to what we should do it today. Tonification sedation, we shall complete today. We can complete it. And horary point and Korean 4-point formula. These two, if I do it, diagnosis we have done, regulate quantity and quality, and then only quantity, quality, subdivision, and decision, etc. So 2 days and 1 day for selection of points and making your own protocol. So 3 days we will require. Okay, so we will require 3 days. Let us complete today. Number 1, what is tonification and sedation? That we will do it, right? And the next thing, what we said,
Korean point formula.
Korean 4-point formula. So horary points will have to be discussed. Okay. So let us do what is tonification and sedation. So let me first ask, because you people are all therapists. So let me ask, what do you understand by tonification sedation? Subhash and Avinash, they are the senior most. Let them reply first. So let me ask Subhash first. Subhash, what do you
Sir,
understand?
tonification is one aspect is borrowing. One aspect is increasing the rate of flow, and one aspect is spreading, sir.
Rate of flow and spreading is interconnected. They are connected. Same thing. If the rate of flow increases, then it will spread also. Okay. And borrowing is okay because it will borrow from mother. The mother organ provides chi to the cell organ. Right? Okay. Yes, Avinash, you want to add anything to it?
No, sir. Same answer.
He suggested tonification, and the opposite is sedation. Okay. Now I shall give you a complete answer. So let us understand it. Chi is a process. Chi is a process. Now listen very carefully and never make a mistake. If someone asks you, you have to give them full answer, proper answer. Okay. So this is the first phase. Then second phase. Then third phase. Then fourth phase. So this is a process. Chi is a process which we see to be done in 5 phases. The first phase is wood. So shall we write it? Or you want me to write it? Okay, it's a bit better that I write it. Right? So this is first phase is wood phase. Then second phase. Second is fire. Then third phase.
Earth.
Third is earth. And the fourth phase of the process is known
Metal.
as metal. And the last phase of the process is
Water.
water. So the process is going like this. In the first phase of these two vertical lines are what? Meridians. Do you understand my point? Now, if this is yin meridian, right? Then this is yang meridian. Okay. Now this will have a mother meridian also. Okay. And this also will have a mother meridian. This also will have a mother meridian, which of course is not very important, because the generation cycle, what is more important, mother son law is more important for yin organs as compared to yang. So this is the mother of yang meridian. This is mother of yin meridian. So now suppose tonification means either you increase the quantity of chi available in the meridian, number one, or you increase the rate of flow, meridian, number two. And number three, that Subhash didn't tell us, is that the chi which is available in the first phase would, if this chi is promoted to the second phase, that is also called tonification. And if the chi is promoted to the third phase, that is also tonification. From third to fourth, that is also, and from fourth to fifth, right, that is also tonification. So becoming old is also tonification in a way. There's a different aspect altogether. Why? We are considering the stronger a person, more tonified he is. You should get stronger and stronger. No, it's not. It's not only the physical strength, it is also the wisdom simultaneously. So when this, as a person is growing from earth to metal, what is happening? He may be becoming a little less strong physically, but he is becoming more strong mentally. And if he is growing from metal phase to water phase, he is growing more matured and more wise. So that is also tonification. So tonification has three aspects now. Shall I write it, or you have understood it?
Please write, sir.
So first is what?
Increase the quantity of chi
What
in the
is
meridian.
tonification? What is tonification? That is what we are trying to understand. And just the reverse is sedation, number one. Right? So it is borrowing. What is it? Borrowing. Let us write. Borrowing. What does it mean? Increase in quantity, isn't it? Increase in quantity. Number two, right? What you can do? You can make the chi flow to longer distances. How that will happen? That will happen if the flow rate is increased. It will go far longer. So flow rate means only yang getting tonified. Right? But there is another aspect. Yin can also get tonified, and then also the chi will be tonified. Isn't it so? Right? So what we should write? Tonification means spreading. Spreading. See, what do you call spreading? See, there is something called the chi gets converged and chi gets diverged. So spreading means divergence. Is it that correct word, divergence, or there should be some other word?
Divergence only, sir.
So divergence of chi is also known as tonification of chi. And convergence will be if it is brought down to from all around, if it is brought down to one place, that is also called, that is sedation. And if it is diverged from one place, which is taken and it is spread out, this is tonification. Okay, you got it? So borrowing or increase in quantity can also be done by a therapist by drawing more chi from organ to meridian. You can borrow more chi from another meridian to this meridian, or you can borrow chi from other organ to this organ, all that. So borrowing has everything in that. And spreading, and that is divergence and convergence. Divergence is tonification, convergence is sedation. So that is what Subhash meant by the rate of flow. Okay, and the third thing is that
Promotion.
promotion. Okay, let us write promotion. Why I am writing next level and why I am not writing higher level, that you should understand. Because once this process is complete from wood to water, then another cycle of process starts from here. So which phase will come of that cycle? The wood phase of that other cycle will come here. So if this chi in water here, if this is promoted to the next, that is wood phase of the next channel, next work, next project, so that also is promotion. Got it? I hope you have understood what is tonification and sedation, right? So now suppose this is yin meridian, and if this is, suppose, say fire, say heart meridian, and this is, say, small intestine meridian, and who is the mother? Liver is the mother, right? So the chi can be borrowed from this is chi can go from this meridian to, oh, what is this? So borrowing can be from mother to son, right? Borrowing can be from mother to son, or the borrowing can also be from organ, to meridian. That will also be known as tonification.
Sir, can you repeat the second part?
Borrowing means increasing the quantity. How can you increase the quantity? You can bring the chi from one meridian to other meridian. So transfer of chi from meridian to meridian. And it can also be increase the quantity by transferring chi from organ to meridian. Right?
Yes.
Right? And you can also increase the chi by borrowing from organ to organ. Right? So organ to organ also can be borrowed. Huh? So suppose this is it. Sorry. So this is an organ, another organ, and so there has to be a yin organ also. So yin organ will borrow from. Now, not only yin organ can borrow from yin organ, and yang organ can borrow from yang organ, but also there can be transfer of chi from yin to yang and yang to yin. Okay, so we should put a black color here. These colors I am giving it purposefully. It is trying to tell you something. Right? And then there can be another kind of transfer also. What kind of transfer can be there? There can be a transfer of, okay, so let me do it. There can be transfer of yang to yin, and there can be transfer from yin to yang. All this mechanism you should remember. If you really want to work through 5-element theory, and if you do not want to mug up the pathology of all points, then you will have to know this mechanism. Okay? If you have questions now, you can ask me now. I have told you everything about tonification and sedation. Just the reverse of tonification is sedation. Hello? Any difficulty? This is also tonification. This is also tonification. And this is also tonification. All this is tonification. And a skilled therapist should know all these transfer mechanisms. You must know all these transfer mechanisms. How to transfer. By transferring, by borrowing, what is this? When you are transferring the chi from urinary bladder meridian to lungs meridian, what is it? Tonification, sedation, what is it? Sciatic pain, we saw that we were transferring the chi from urinary bladder meridian to lungs meridian. Isn't it so?
So sedation?
Sedation of bladder meridian and
Yeah.
tonification of lungs.
Lung.
So whenever you will tonify, something will be sedated also. Remember this. Suppose you are transferring some chi from organ to meridian. What is happening? You are exploiting the organ. You are taxing the organ. The organ is getting taxed. How? It is forced to transfer more chi in its meridian. How can it do? By producing more, by generating more, right? And if it is not, if it is suppose yang organ, that also the quantity in the organ will go down. because if it sends more in the meridian, it will be left behind with less chi for itself. Okay. So all these aspects, if you have any questions, it's okay. Otherwise, if you don't have, we will proceed.
Kunju, what will be the definition then according to this criteria? Definition of sedation.
Sedation means lending the chi.
Okay, just a minute.
Right? Spreading means arresting or decreasing the rate of flow, that is going against the flow. Right? Like what we did, if we had a pain in right thumb, then what we did, LU7 sedate. So what we did, we sedated. Why?
Sedate.
Ah, transferring, lending out.
Transfer.
Lending
Lending
out.
out. Okay.
Urinary bladder is lending out the chi to lungs meridian, right? Spreading. And spreading means increasing the speed. How do we do that? Either we do it by stimulants, like we have electrical stimulators, and then we can do it by putting a directional needle that is in the direction of the flow of the chi in the meridian. If you put a needle, and if you stimulate it by hand also, or even if you don't stimulate, it gets tonified. Right? It is pushed, the chi is pushed along the flow in the same direction. Right? Or if you put a round magnet, tonification magnet, then also it is done. Right? And promotion means you are transferring chi from, say, if it is heart meridian, you are transferring the chi from liver meridian to heart meridian. So heart is getting, right? Wood is what? Liver and gallbladder. The first phase, there are 2 points. Please try to understand this also. First phase we are running the first phase. In order to complete the job of first phase, we have chi available at wood point of the yin meridian and metal point of the yang meridian. Both these chi together, they work as a team to complete the process of the wood phase. Do you understand it? Wood phase, there are chi available at wood point on the yin meridian, and so you should know what you should know. So first phase, the job is done with the help of number 1, chi at wood point on yin meridian. Right? And second, chi at metal point on yang partner. Right? So wood phase has 2 meridians, for example. Which meridians it has? Liver and gallbladder. Right? In this liver and gallbladder, the first phase of the wood phase, the wood is also a small phase. In the entire chi, which is a phase, right? In that, wood is the initial phase. This initial phase is also a process. And in this process also there are 5 phases. So in wood phase, there are chi available at 2 different points. They are working. How they are working? Now on the yang meridian, the chi available at the metal phase is working like brain. Right? What does the brain do for all the activities going in the trunk? Right? So it is all governed by the brain, right? So whatever generation, wood phase is what it will do? It is generation, right? So the generation of the wood variety of chi will be restricted by whom? By the chi available at the metal phase. How much wood is required? That much freedom should be available. If the freedom is curtailed, then also you will fall sick. If there is no check on it, then also you will fall sick. So there has to be a check. There has to be a governance. That governance is the chi available at the yang partner's metal point. Now this is something I have said, which is very important.
ఏమనొద్దు దంచాల దంచితే జీవితంలో
No, I don't know Telugu, please. Telugu, I don't know. Please stop it, yeah. Either you speak.
అని చెప్తే కూర్చోబెడతాం అంటే అంత ఈజీగా
Dr. Subramanian. कभी नहीं सुधरेगा. Okay. Okay. He's sitting in the clinic. Many people. Dr. Anand also sits in the clinic. You got it? Avinash.
Yes, Guruji.
This is very important to understand, because next what I am going to talk maybe tomorrow is the maybe tomorrow or day after. So quantity and quality of chi. So whatever I have said right now is very important. Who is controlling whom? Now brain is supplied by the trunk, no doubt, but the activities of the trunk are controlled by brain. The activity of the brain is not very much controlled by the trunk. It depends on what kind of chi is being shared by the trunk with the head. It's a great difference. Very little or no, very little, maybe some, which we do not know at the moment. Maybe in future someone will come with more research. But at the moment what we find is this. Only the quantity and quality of chi that the trunk shares with the head will decide the functions of the head. But the chi of the head in turn will only govern what? The production, the generation, and all the metabolism that is going on in the trunk. That is what you should understand. See? So if the first point on the yin meridian is wood point, isn't it so? What is this point? This is wood point. And what is this point? What is this point?
Metal.
Okay. Now metal is controlling how shall we do it? कैसे करना चाहिए? Okay, let us be like this. Metal will control wood. Is the reverse true? That is what I am asking you. Will wood control metal? The wood chi available at the wood point on the yin meridian, will it control the availability of chi at the metal point of yang meridian? Are you understanding my question, all of you? No. The answer is
No.
no. Right? Generally what you are taught in the classes, wood controls metal and metal controls wood. I will also teach you tomorrow. Wood controls metal and metal controls wood. But I will not teach you wood of yin and metal of yang. They do not control each other. The wood of yin will control the metal of yin only. It's a big difference. All these intricacies, these subtleness should be known before you go to select your points and the method of treatment. I don't know, Subhash, are you able to understand what I am talking?
Yeah, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Don't you think it is very, very subtle, which is hardly explained and hardly emphasized anywhere in any book?
Yes, sir. We are talking very subtle things, sir.
Very subtle. Even in my book, I have not been able to discuss all this. Because that time I was also a kid. So far as acupuncture is concerned. So it's good that you being my student, you will be the torchbearer. Mr. He used to teach like this.
Sure, sir.
Rajat Khullar. Am I right in
Yes,
your
sir.
name? I keep forgetting names. So this is something very subtle, and because
No one teaches this, sir.
so you are enjoying the knowledge, you must understand. If you are not understanding, please do ask me now.
No,
Okay,
sir.
so
No, it's fine.
now because you are asking, it is coming more and more. So Avinash put a question, it has come. You put a question, so it is coming. The more you ask, the more you will get. I believe
Sure,
so.
sir.
Okay, so shall we proceed, or you people have any question? If you have any question, please do ask me now. Tonification and sedation. कितनी बात हो गई? So many things we talked about.
Sir, एक बार आप first phase just repeat once more so that it is very clear to me.
What should I repeat?
The first phase, the first and the second point that you were telling.
So there are 5 phases to a process. The first
Yes, sir.
phase, the name is Yud. Now for every phase, we have 2 meridians overall. So for overall process, for every meridian, we have 2 meridians. For wood phase, which meridians are available? The liver meridian and gallbladder meridian. Okay, right?
Yes, sir.
Now, yin organs are responsible for generation of chi. So, yin meridian is generating meridian. Yang meridian is control meridian.
Controlling meridian.
Both of them are distribution. Both of them are responsible to distribute. But when generation comes into picture, what is acupressure? Acupuncture is all about. Acupuncture is all about regulating the generation and distribution of chi. That's all, isn't it so?
Yes,
So
sir.
who regulates the metal, the chi available at the metal point on the yang partner? Controls, keeps a check on the generation of the chi available at wood point on the yin partner.
True.
But the reverse is not true. If you do not agree, you should discuss it now.
Sir, repeat the line once again so that I can write, please.
Sir is saying that metal of yang will control wood of yin, but wood of yin will not control metal of yang.
Wood of yin will decide the generation of the wood variety of chi will decide what it will decide, that See, wood variety of Qi can be of yang nature, can be of yin nature. That which is of very yang nature will go where? Depending on how much yang variety of wood Qi has been generated by yin, the availability of that yang wood Qi at this yang meridian wood Qi will solely depend on the generation. So if you cut down the generation of wood variety, simultaneously the Qi availability at the wood point of the yang meridian will also be cut down. And if you increase the generation of wood variety of Qi here, so it will, the Qi will, if you increase the Qi of this particular point, this will also be increased, this will, the availability will increase, and this quantity of Qi here also will increase. Okay, we are covering another quantity and quality we are covering now. Subhash, you have attended all these classes, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So for you it is easy. If you are not
Ji, ji.
understanding, I shall request Subhash to tell you in your language. If someone is not understanding what I have said, please ask now. Or if you have all understood, it is well and good. Okay, so if you have understood, no problem. So now we will go. Shall we proceed then to something else? What I had said, what I shall do after tonification sedation, what I should do?
That's a Korean 5.
Korean formula. So we will do that. Shall we remove it all?
Yes, Guru.
Avinash, if you have doubts, please do ask me. You are one of the dearest students of mine here in Maharashtra, and I do want you to be fully convinced. If you are not convinced, please do ask.
Yes, Guru.
Convinced?
I'm understanding your quantum, Guru.
No, if you feel hesitant, if you feel that there is this doesn't appear to be correct, you can quit it.
Yeah.
Okay, while I am teaching, I'm in a mood to explain everything. Okay?
Okay.
Don't keep it to yourself. You should put your doubts forward.
Yes, Guru. Yes.
Okay. So if you increase wood here, right? What will happen? First, second, third. So there will be another thing that will happen. What will happen? There is Qi available at earth point. Try to understand. If you are tonifying, means you are increasing the quantity of Qi available at wood point here on the yin meridian. the quantity of Chi. Suppose this wood point had, suppose this has three, and this also had the earth variety also in 3 waves. You see, 3 balls. Okay. Now suppose what you do is that you ask liver to generate more of wood variety. So what you will do? What is the wood point of liver? If suppose this is liver and this is liver meridian, then this is liver 1. This point is then liver 1. Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
So if you tonify liver 1, you see what will happen? The liver organ will get an indication, will get an indent, you see, requirement that we require more number of Chi, more waves of this variety, wood variety. Right? So wood variety will increase. Suppose on the inside the wood increases by yet another lot of Chi. So now it will become 4 lots of Chi. Maybe here also there will be 1 plus. Now if this increases, this has a control over this earth, and simply and this also, this wood will have control. So instead of here it will do 4. So the total generating capacity, whatever you are not affecting that, the total number of Chi generated by liver remains same. So what will happen? The only thing that will happen is that instead of producing 3 of this will produce only 2. So the liver will be producing 4 lots of the wood variety and only 2 lots of the earth variety. So the total Chi generated by Chi will have now a different quality, different mix. You see, the total Chi generated by the liver organ has a mix of say 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. But if you are increasing this 4, then earth will go to 2. So this will be 4, 3, 2, 3, 3. So the total mix, that is the quality of Chi flowing in liver meridian, will change. But the total number of lots, total number of wavelengths, total Chi generated, that remains same. So if you are interested in changing only the quality of Chi, you can treat like this, and wood will control earth. All this we will further study it tomorrow. But this is getting complicated now slowly. So you have to be really very alert to understand everything. I'm afraid all of you are a bit slow. I have to say this. You should respond if you are not understanding. Shall I remove it all? I am
Sir, I have
removing.
not.
If you have not understood something which I have said, you should ask. Otherwise, I shall remove it.
Sir, this we understood that if we increase the wood variety of Chi at the yin level, then the wood variety at the yang level will also be impacted.
Yes, correct. Very good.
But this quality part is
We will
not.
again come. We will repeat it. Don't worry. We will repeat it. We'll repeat it. Anyway, we have to talk about the quantity and quality separately. We will talk separately. Now let us come back to this tonification and sedation and all that. So What I wanted to tell you is, one, two, three, 4, 5, and this is 6. 6 yin meridians. Okay. So the first one we take as liver. So now you understand what is what. So it should be written with a capital L. When I write organ, we write with capital letter. So this is liver meridian. So now you know this is liver. So this is heart, then pericardium, then heart, that is spleen, and lungs and kidney. So this is kidney meridian. This much you know. This much you know. Now, what is horary point? I have to do. In level 1, we discussed horary point very well. Huh? So you know what is horary point. Horary, what is the horary point of liver meridian? Which point is horary point?
Liver 1, sir.
Liver 1, sir.
Liver 1. Liver 1. Now there is this is wood point on liver, right? And liver. So there is a wood point on heart also, isn't it so? There is a wood point on pericardium also, isn't it
Yes.
so? There is a wood point on spleen also, and there is a wood point on lungs also, and there is a wood point on kidney also. Isn't it so? But if I ask you that in the whole of the body, who is the commander in chief of the wood variety of chi? If you require wood variety of chi in your body anywhere,
Liver.
Liver should be the commander.
so liver should be addressed. So liver is the commander. Liver is the commander. So this liver belongs to wood. This is wood variety. Right? Now, what is the fact is? The fact is that this liver. Now, wood variety of chi is generated by heart, and it is also available in pericardium. It is also generated by spleen. All of them are generating wood variety. But if they want more of wood, who can supply? Who is the boss? If they want extra wood, who can supply? The liver can supply. The liver can supply. So liver can supply to heart. Liver can supply to pericardium. Liver can supply to spleen, and liver will also supply to lungs, and the liver will also supply to the wood. So the chi at these K1, LU11, SP1, P9, LH9, they are connected with liver 1. Right? Now suppose you want more chi in the heart. More chi in the heart. So what will you do? Yes, Subhash, you know it. You only said borrow.
Sir,
So how will you borrow? Heart meridian, if you want to tonify heart, which point you will tone?
we will take horary point.
Sure. Mother point is tonification.
H9.
H9.
H9. Yeah, Subhash. Kahan ho? You are not in the class.
No, sir.
H9. H9 is the mother point. H9 is the mother point. So what we do? tone H9, meaning thereby H9, this point, the heart does not produce much of H9. But if you compel it to produce, it will be forced. But what is the better method? The better method is, if you really want this point to be engaged, if you want this to be more, if you want heart to be generating more of wood variety, then heart must be supplied some extra power to generate wood variety of chi, isn't it? That variety of chi, who can give? Liver can give, right? So there is one condition, that you tone this point, that is liver 1. If you first you tone H9 and then you tone liver 1, suppose you also tone liver 1, right? So what will happen? Now liver, it can easily produce more of good variety of chi, so it will start producing, it will produce more of chi. But here there is already a flag. The flag is that I need more of wood variety. The mother can give. So we go to the mother, and this is the horary point of the mother. If you tonify, then this extra cheese that is generated will be generated for only H9. So H9 with more quantity of chi will come to H9, and heart meridian will be tonified. So it is in fact transfer from organ to organ. All of you should understand it.
So that means we will tone both H9 and liver 1.
Is it reasonable or not? First you should be convinced before treating. अरे तेरे किधर गया है बाबा? Right? So when more wood variety comes to heart, then it will also be available in the meridian. But if you do not tone H liver 1, you simply tone H9, then what will happen? The heart will be asked that you supply more of wood variety of chi. So what it will do? It will cut down some production of different variety. We will see that maybe of variety, and it will produce more of what to its maximum capacity, because it cannot produce much of wood variety of chi, because this can produce, this is the boss of fire variety of chi. But it will try. But if you tonify liver 1, it is very easy. Liver will transfer the extra chi to heart, and heart will supply the meridian. You got it? Isn't
Yes,
it
sir.
so? Now suppose you want to tonify, suppose this is LU11 and this is क्या हो गया यार? Not working. रुक जाता है. Stops. So this is lungs. So second point on the lungs meridian from the tail end, that is from the nail end. What is this point?
LU10, sir.
LU10. Very well said. LU10 is what? Is 5. Let us and then what is the third point?
LU9, sir.
So let us have
Oh, sir.
So this is LU9. LU9. Now suppose you want to tonify lungs. Lungs is deficient. You have to tonify. So tonification point of lungs is LU9. LU9 is the mother point of lungs, isn't it so? Right? But who is the boss of this variety of chi?
Spleen.
If LU9,
Yes.
if you tonify, it will get, so lungs will be supplied by spleen.
Mm.
Right? Isn't it so? But will it supply? How will it take? How will it take? If you tonify only LU9, the chances are that lungs organ will be asked to produce more of the type of earth variety instead of producing the metal variety, which is its own variety, which it produces more. But if you tonify first LU9 and then you tonify which point?
SP3, sir.
SP3. So what will happen?
It will produce earth kind of.
Now this is horary point of spleen.
Hmm.
Spleen is the mother of lungs.
Hmm.
So it will supply immediately to lungs. It will go to lungs and it will supply this. So there will be no problem. But suppose you do not tone LU9. Suppose you do not tone LU9. If you do not tone LU9 and you simply tonify SP3, in that case what will happen? The chi will go to lungs or not?
Go to all meridians. This type of X type of.
Well said, Jagdishwari, well said. Because if SP3 is tonified, then the humidity of the whole body will increase.
Because we are tonifying the earth.
Why? If you simply tonify a liver one, what will happen? The wood variety, the
Wood variety of all.
availability of the wood variety of chi will increase. If the availability is increased, all of them will be supplied, all of them will be tonified. If you want to tonify the wood in your body, then all the wood points of every meridian has to be tonified. So what should you do? Just simply tonify liver one. Total wood variety of chi will be increased. Or if you want to decrease, you can decrease also. If the supply goes down, all of them will receive less. If the supply goes up, all of them will receive more. But if already you have tonified H9, then this liver knows that okay, whatever extra chi I am making, it has to be transferred to H9 because किसी ने हाथ खड़ा किया सर मेरे को चाहिए, I want it. So whatever material is available, if the supply comes, the person who has raised that this vaccine we need. If Russia is making a vaccine and if India has already placed an order, the first preference will be given to India and not to everyone. But if availability is more than anybody can ask and everywhere it can, it is at the discretion of the supply. You got it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Excellent, sir.
So that particular meridian has to raise the flag.
Flag, yes. So H9 is a flag, LU9 is a flag.
Yeah, it's like a channel which tells that extra chi has to come to us.
No, I need it, I need it, I need it.
Yeah.
Got it?
Understood.
So this was understood by Korean people for the first time. Okay. Later on, many people have understood it. Noted. Okay, but remember this. If you have understood it very well, right, and all of you know about the control cycle. All of you know it or not? Wood controls earth, earth controls water, water controls fire, fire controls metal, and metal controls wood. This is not this cycle. All of you know, I believe.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now we will take Corian 4-point formula. But before I take Corian 4-point formula, let me bring my tea. So I shall keep having tea, if you don't mind, right? And we will have the Corian 4-point formula before we come to a close. Okay, let it be like this. Okay, thank you for bearing with me. So old man, I need some extra energy. Okay, and nowadays this hot drink is very necessary, essential. That protects you also. Okay, so this is done. So I shall remove all this. Now you remember it. So now we will come to Corian 4-point formula. So I hope many of you know it already. So there are two kinds of things. One is when you have diagnosed that there is a deficiency of G, and one is when you diagnose when there is an excess of G. So either there is a deficiency of G or there is an excess of G. That is this is how you go for diagnosis and treatment. Suppose there is deficiency. Now deficiency can be in any meridian. So let us say that we have identified the sick meridian. Which is the sick meridian? Let us nowadays, because corona is going on, so let us take lungs meridian. Deficiency in lungs. Lungs G is deficient. So the Corian said that tonification of lungs can be done with the mother point of lungs. So first point they suggested that tonify, in order to tonify lungs, tone mother point. What is that? What is the mother point of lungs? LU?
Lung 9, sir.
Lung 9. Yes, you are right. So that is the first point. Then they suggested, now I have explained you what we should do. Number 2 they suggested, based on what? Yes, अभी हम लोगों ने देखा. Right now we have seen what? Tone horary point of mother.
P3.
SP3.
What is that?
SP3.
SP3.
They also suggested something more which we have not discussed, but I hope you people know it. If you do not know, we will discuss it tomorrow. We will mention it, of course. But I hope, because all of you have done somewhere or the other, only Dr. Jeba has not done. Now, Dr. Jeba, you see, I shall let you know. Tomorrow you will come to know about it. But right now, the third point they suggested, you note it down and you can ask me then. Sedate controller. Controller. Who is the controller? Who controls the metal? Metal is
Heat.
controlled by fire.
By fire.
Fire. Controller point. So controller point is LU. Don't worry, Dr. Jeba, we will discuss this next tomorrow maybe. Don't worry. So you note it down and you can ask me then. What is controller and why? What will happen if you sedate controller or tone controller, etc., etc. And then what? Now this controller has to be sedated. Who is supplying elutin? This is a fire point. This is supplied by the fire. Who is responsible for fire? For fire, heart is responsible. Heart. So we have to go to the heart. And so what we will do? We will sedate the generation there. And now whatever will be the cut in the total generation of G, that cut will be influenced to lungs. So suppose the fire was being generated as 6 lots. So it will generate, suppose 5 lots. So 1 lot will be cut from its lungs, will not be supplied. Lungs will be supplied 1 lot less. Because lungs has already said that I do not want this kind of G from anywhere. I do not want it. Why? Because if we sedate LU10, then lungs will increase. Isn't it? The balance. So sedate the horary
H8.
point of
Fire meridian. Controller meridian.
So this is simple. This is called 4-point formula. What is that point?
H8.
So this is 4-point formula of tonification. And if there is an excess,
Then reverse, sir. Vice versa.
so suppose I write it, you tell me the points and I shall write it.
Yes, sir.
Sir, excuse me, sir.
Boliye.
Sir, in excess, don't we consider sun?
I don't
We
know this.
transfer.
He will tell us. Rajat knows. He will tell us. Don't worry. He's there to tell us. Yes, Rajat. Which should be the first point?
Sir, sun has to be sedated first.
Sedate. Sun point. What is that point of lungs?
Water,
Lung five.
LU5, LU5.
LU5. Then second point.
Sedate horary point of the mother meridian.
Sedate. Another point. Very good. What is the third point?
So we'll have to tone
Yes. Tone what?
tone the controller point.
Very good. Well said. What is that? Who controls lungs?
Earth point.
Huh?
Metal is controlled by fire, sir.
Fire. So, tone what?
LU10.
LU10.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then, fourth point.
Sir, again we'll tone the horary point of the controller meridian. That is tone H8.
That is which point? H8.
H8, sir.
Okay. Good. Well done, Rajat.
Thank
If
you, sir.
any one of you have anything to say, you can say now. What is very important is, now I tell you something very, very revealing fact, and then we will close this chapter. You have understood that horary points are very vital. Why it is vital? They can increase or decrease the supply of any category of chi. Isn't it? Right?
Yes,
You
sir.
get, are you getting it? Horary points are very, very important. Now, not only that, what is the horary point of large intestine meridian?
LI1, sir.
What is the horary point of gallbladder meridian?
GB41, sir.
GB41, yes, sir.
Now remember, especially the yin horary points and the yang horary points, there is a difference. Why there is a difference? This difference has to be understood by everyone. Because it is not understood, therefore the results which are should be available are not available to people. Right? So the difference is that you should keep in mind that the solid organs are the generating organs. Right? And solid organs are having three suppliers. No, two suppliers. Solid organs have two suppliers. One is the mother organ, the other is kidney. And how many suppliers are there for the yang organs?
3 suppliers.
3 suppliers. The solid organs, the mother organs, and the kidney. This you should keep in mind. right? Now what I say is that any kind of problem which you may have in your body, right, and if you do not know what to do, then there is a method which is called renting, or you can use seeds. Seeds are living beings. Seeds are living beings. So these living beings, they have a mind and they have a memory. They have a wisdom. So these seeds, this is called seed therapy. When you put seeds on treatment points instead of magnets and needles and colors. So when you put seed, it is called seed therapy. Especially what I am recommending is for renting, you should use round seeds of pale color. Not very bright color. Don't use the seeds of bright color or different color. Use the pale color seed and round seed. So if you apply on suppose on any of the whole, what will happen? That you should know. As a therapist, you should know. This is called renting, or you can apply straight needles, perpendicular needles, right? And so what this will mean? This is neither tonification, deliberate, forceful tonification, nor forceful sedation. Right? This is supposed to be a neutral method. But if you are applying seeds, that is far better. So anyway, you can apply perpendicular needles also. What will happen? If you put it on a horary point, if you put on the horary point, there are say five phases. So the 5 phases, because pericardium is cooled chi, so if you treat all the 5, the pericardium will automatically will be taken care of. So if you put the seed on the horary point of suppose liver, what will happen? It will judge. If there is an extra requirement of the wood variety of chi in the body anywhere to anyone, it will produce more. And if it is not required, if it is excess in the body, it will sedate. So it will automatically sedate or tone. You don't have to tell. That is called renting. That is called, what is that process called? This treatment process is called renting. Either a straight needle or round seeds of pale color. So if suppose you put this seeds on all the 5 horary points, leave aside say pericardium, on all the 5 points. Why pericardium they are leaving? Because if all of the 5 organs which are generating organs, if they are generating as per the requirement of body, mind, intellect, then the pool also will have as per the requirement standard, whatever is required to keep in stock, that will be in the stock. So you don't have to worry for it. So if you suppose rent liver 1, H8, SP3, LU8 and K10. These are the horary points. These are the horary points, self energy points. If you rent means automatically it will, if it has to be tonified, it will be tonified. If it has to be sedated, it will sedate. It has its own intellect and own wisdom, it will do it for it. If you put a straight needle, the same effect. Are you getting it, all of you? Then imagine what will happen in the body. You see, disease is either because there is an excess or because there is a deficiency. Now, excess and deficiency will be taken care of by the horary point in the whole of the body, in all meridians. If liver 1 is rented, it will take care of all the wood points in every meridian, it will take care of. If somewhere there is a deficiency, so it will send the chi. If somewhere there is a excess,
it will remove.
It will take it back. Are you getting it?
Sir, for renting, can you please repeat what is the seed you told?
Any round seed. You can use mutter, and if you are using on sujo, you can use like that.
Sir, mutter is the best, I think, in terms of the roundness.
Okay, so that is what I'm saying. or otherwise you can use straight needles, perpendicular needles.
That will be acupuncture then, sir.
So that will be acupuncture. So now, do you understand the importance of Horary point? Any disease, put these 5 points. Don't you think it will help?
Yes, sir.
Without diagnosing, without understanding, without anything, you just listen, you play the role of listener, listen all diseases, all symptoms, everything, note it down, make a list and apply these 5 points on right and 5 points on left. Or you may apply, if you know whether to apply on right or left, then you can select. Only you can do unilaterally. Otherwise, do bilaterally, no problem. Isn't it simple? This is Horary point. Oh, wonderful it is. Treat anything and everything. Shelley, apply
Sir,
these. Apply these
this is for
points.
So this is
Okay,
for
sir.
general health also for any person if
Any
he
person,
applies
yes.
renting, if
And,
it does on the horary point, then
Oh,
disease process will not even only occur.
and even if there is a disease, it will help to a great extent.
Yes, yes, sir. Sir, lovely, sir. Very nice one. Sir.
Wonderful. 5 points. No diagnosis is required. So people are now claiming that they have researched.
Sir, can we take yin and yang points Horary at a time?
No, because yin is the generation, isn't it?
We have to take yin only, sir.
Yin is the generation. You can take yang meridians also, no doubt. But yang meridian are not the generating organs. That depends, because GB41 is obviously governs the generation of the corresponding kind of G in the liver. What is that? Liver 3, which is the source point. Right? Then if you go to a small intestine meridian, SI5. SI5 will do what? SI5 governs the generation का कौन सा किसको करेगा?
Fire.
हाँ?
SI5 is the fire point. Sir.
Fire point, Horary point.
Fire point. So it will govern what? It will govern the metal variety of generation on the heart meridian. Yeah? So it will not be that effective, because metal is not what heart can generate. But it can do it. It can do what it will do, because it will regulate the metal variety. Now, metal is what? Metal is related to heart in an axis. They are related to an axis. So, if metal is regulated, the whole heat will also be regulated in the heart. Right? And because you are touching SI5, now SI5 is very much connected to what? H8. Why? No, H8 and SI5. If you SI5 is tonified, means H8 will have to provide to SI5. Who will provide the Chi at SI5? Which point? The H8. The fire point will provide the Chi to SI5. So it will be automatically, that is the horary point. Right? So it will have effect, but it will not have that effect, good effect, which if you do the horary points of the yin meridians, which are generating meridians. Yang meridians also can have. At times, if the yin meridian horary points are not giving you good results, you will try the horary points of yang meridians. Yes, you can. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So this is an extra tip apart from Korean 4-point formula.
This is Bisoma.
Don't name it. Avinash tells me.
Lovely, sir.
Avinash tells me.
Sir, ऐसा ही source point को can we take 5 source point at a time, sir?
Why not? Who stops you? Yes, you can take. That can be another alternative for treatment. If you think, that it is the people are sinking kind of what people are. If there is some disorder of a particular type, Horary points are okay. But if it is chi sinking kind of, what should you do? Take source points. Take source points. Why? Because source points have every quality of chi. Isn't it so? So it will
Yes, sir.
direct it. But for generation, etc., it is better to take Horary points. If you have questions, it's okay. Otherwise, we will call it a day. And tomorrow, I have to discuss with all of you. Just give me a couple of minutes, just 3-4 minutes. We will discuss something, and then you will be free to go. If there is any question, first let us complete and close this chapter.
Guruji, there is a
Sir,
correction.
Yes, there is.
Yeah.
Second part, they said horary point of mother meridian. Excess lung.
Oh, it should be sun meridian. Is it?
Sun meridian.
Yes,
Sorry.
sir.
Yeah.
Very well pointed out.
Hmm.
Okay, very good, very good. Oh, the whole thing gone. So you will correct it, I hope.
Yeah, Guruji. Okay.
Sun point out. Good, Navinash. Well pointed out. Very well done.
Guruji, along with a horary in point, in meridian point, can you give the source point? As the Subhash said.
You see, you know what is source points? We discussed it in last session, or we did not discuss the source point?
We did not, sir.
We did not,
sir, I think.
Huh?
No,
No,
in this
sir.
level. In this level, we didn't, I think.
But you know what is source point, all of you? Or you want me to take up that source point also?
Sir, we can discuss for 2-3 minutes on that.
Not today. But source point, I think all of you know. Source point means every variety of chi, wood, fire, earth, metal, water. What? Okay, let me tell you. No problem. Source point you should know. See, this is chi. This is chi, right? Generating, and so these are the 2 parts of the chi, right? And then this is the first. This is the initial phase, and then this is the second phase. Then this is the phase, and this is the last portion.
Last point. Yeah.
Okay, and this is earth phase. This is the transitional phase, right? So see, the simple thing, this point is such that where yang is also there, yin is also there, right? So the chi which is getting stored at the source point, because unity point, earth points on yin meridian are also source points. So in source point, what we will have? We will have water variety of chi. You have metal variety of chi. You have wood variety of chi. Then you have earth variety of chi. Then you have fire variety of chi. So this is source point. Why this is source point? Because if you raise this, then the total process will go up, isn't it? If you lift it from the middle, the transitional phase, if you raise, then yang will also be raised and yin will also be raised, isn't it so? This will also be raised and this will also be raised. So instead of okay, very funny. Okay, right? So when the source point of the yin meridian is earth point, that has this kind of shape. Well, that is not so on the yang side. Source points are different kind of thing. Source points of them are different kinds. See, we left behind how to give the status to low connecting points of yin meridian and yang meridian. Yesterday we didn't do that because a lot of time was taken. Tomorrow we propose to do that. Okay, please remind me. Avinash, will you remind me tomorrow?
Yes, Guruji. Yeah, source point.
Status of low connecting point. Source point we have now understood. This is source point. So on wood point, that is the wood variety of chi. And fire point, fire variety of chi. Earth point, earth variety of chi is more. But on the yin side, this can affect all other variety of chi. So we can consider that at this point, every variety of chi is coming and getting something. Earth variety is more, of course, but the rest of the variety of chi is also coming and getting. How this is getting accumulated? The chi is coming through the channel and there are storage tanks. Storage. What are these accumulation points? They are storage. So different kinds of cheese has to be stored in different storage tank. The tank must be made of different materials to store different materials. Acid is stored in a different kind of a thing. Then liquid oxygen is stored in a different kind of a thing. The gas is stored in a different kind of a storage. So the material and the storage tank must be of different material and it should be able to hold it. So different types of cheese are accumulated at different points. Why? Because that kind of cheese can be stored at that particular point only. But the source point is such on the yin meridian where that is very unique. Why? Because this is a transitional phase. It is connected to yang and yin both. So we can say that it will affect every variety of cheese. Source point has. You can just imaginary. I mean, this is not correct physically. Nobody knows about it. But this is what I think, that at humidity points on the yin meridians, every variety of chi is available. So when you tone this, every variety of chi is toned, right? And every variety of chi is sedated. So that will make a mistake. It will make you, if you go by source point to treat, that will make a mistake because every variety of chi will be affected. But when you go by variety point, you are separately taking each variety of chi. Every meridian, if you take source point, that may create a mistake. Unless you are sure that which particular organ or which particular meridian the source point should be taken. So treatment you should give only by variety point when you are giving fidelity. Okay. So I have told you something about source point, and you can ask me question tomorrow. Now we have to discuss something. Tomorrow I have to attend a session between 5:15 and 6:15, some other session. So I want that there should not be any gap, and you should have a class tomorrow also, provided you people are prepared to come on a different time, at a different time. So the time available
in the morning.
those slot which is available with me, that which I can afford, because you see my wife is kind of she has some handicap. She has broken her hip joint is broken, so I have to help her also. And in the morning I have to do a lot of puja, etc. So
7 to 8 evening.
12 to 1:30 is this slot which is available, which will be easy for me. 12
Yes, Guruji, that will be better.
to 1:30, because we generally say 1 hour, but it takes more than 1 hour always. So if we say 12 to 1, you should take it 1:30 hoga.
Okay.
So
Okay.
if anybody
No
has any
problem.
objection, please tell me. Otherwise, we will have this 12 to 1 tomorrow. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
sir,
Right.
after 7, sir,
Try to join me. Who are you? Who is this?
sir, this is Subhash, sir.
Yes,
So,
Subhash. What do you want?
morning slot, sir, morning and afternoon slot, I am not free, sir. If possible, record kariye, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, that will be better. Record. Yeah.
I shall do it. For you only, Subhash. I shall send it to you only. Try to be there, because when you are face to face, you can ask questions. Right? Okay, for Subhash it is okay. One person, and Subhash has done so many times. No problem. We will understand it. Subhash, okay. I shall keep a recording like I am keeping today. Right? Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes,
So
please, sir.
tomorrow we are meeting at 12 o'clock, and if you can make it, your this thing has opened, this online classes. What?
Yes, 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 sir.
What is the time?
Yes, sir.
There.
So अपने हिसाब से वो मैं प्लान करा, sir.
So now it is planned in the noon time. You have the engagements. Okay. If you can make yourself free between 12 and 1:30, you can join anytime. Even for part time, you can join.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Don't worry. Okay. So we are meeting 12 o'clock tomorrow.